Every cent a gamble, a roll of dice. Feels like walking free.
Oh, ito nga ako.
Every street a mystery. Food and stories where they meet. Life tastes better on my feet. Passports hidden beneath flight. When noodles sing underneath.
May mga ATV din ha? Saan ang ATV dito na area? Oh, mali alis mo po. Okay. Pagdang.
Feels like walking free. Every street a mystery. Food and stories where they meet. Life tastes better.
Ganda pa rin nakisama yung panahon, no?
Expect na malaki.
Buckets loud and solid sand. Feels
Nakapag-drone na.
walking free. Every street a mystery.
Punta tayo mamaya, pre. Ganda ng panahon, no?
Stories where they meet. Life tastes better on my feet. Crackling bread, the fire's near. Languages blend out over here. Sweet savory kiss, plate of wonder, served like this. Walking free. Every street a mystery. Food and stories where they meet. Life tastes better on my feet. Step by step, the ground feels like city whispers in the morning light. The corner shop sells tales of spice. Every cent a gamble, roll of dice. Feels like walking free. Every street a mystery. Food and stories where they meet. Life tastes better on my
And
feet.
there's the pool.
Passports hidden, but who needs flight when noodles sing under neon light? A mango cart, a smile so wide. Introductions made with every bite.
Outdoor shower.
Maps can fold, but hearts
Tapos may net doon.
expand.
Pwede tayo
Markets
pumunta
loud
doon
and
later.
solid sand.
And then here's the kitchen.
Feels like walking,
So dito kakain, guys.
free.
So may dispenser siya. There's the rep.
Mystery. Food and stories where
And it's
they
cooker, heater.
life tastes better on my feet.
And it's here. Oh, nice. Okay.
Crackling bread, the fire's near. The market's loud and sunlit sand. Feels like walking free. Walking free. Every street a mystery. Food and stories where they
Ayan
meet.
siya.
Life tastes better on my feet. Crackling bread, the fire's near.
Dito tayo ngayon. Papunta tayo dun sa mga tourist destination dito mismo sa loob ng resort.
Dito na ako yung pinaka-highest dito.
So highest peak daw tayo. Ayan. Palipad muna tayo ng drone dito, guys. Okay. So yan. Let's see.
So, nandito tayo ngayon sa pinaka-highest point. Highest peak.
So pag mag-iikot kayo dito, tatawag lang kayo dun sa reception. Tapos susunduin kayo ng naka-golf car. So, para umikot dito. Dahil sobrang laki niya, doable naman na lakarin. Pero syempre, dahil mataas siya at nakakapagod, so iba pa rin yung may sundo ka. Ito nga, hiningal na kagad ako, di ba? So yan, ito yung view. Wow! Panalo guys, ang ganda. Man. Wow. The best. Ay. Palipadin natin dito sa Legolas. Paikutin natin dito mismo sa pinaka highest point nila. Check natin yung buong area.
Sky opens wide like a hungry mouth.
Hindi nagamit eh.
Mountains rise up, shadows stretch out. Eyes chasing the wind, the horizon bends. Fly higher, higher through the sky. No chains, no walls, just wings to try. Wings of the world, they'll never die. Rivers make seas that's below. Clouds drift heavy, but they still grow. Dreams carry far where no man's known. Fly higher, higher through the sky. No chains, no walls, just wings to try. Wings of the world, they'll never die. Fly higher, higher through the sky. No chains, no walls, just wings to try. Wings of the world, they'll never die.
Wait, pre, no? Bonfire no?
Ah.
Doon lang po kami, kapit po lang po.
Wow.
Big po lang po. Kapit ka po, man.
Hello.
Jambahan po yun.
Nakakatakot. Sorry.
Go.
Lumalapit sila eh.
Hindi ko kaya. Ayan.
Kami na ako.
Takot. Hindi na.
Alam mo, pag natuka ka, may insurance ka naman.
Tama. Lapit ka. Ang layo mo.
Hello.
Tapos isang dahon lang.
Lapit kita sir.
Ang layo mo, sabi sa'yo eh.
Ay, kaya pala ubus na yun nandito sa gilid.
Bakbak na po nila yan.
Di ba meron kang pinapakain na, no? Parang puno na, no? Parang sa Pampanga.
Palta mo nga ito, lit ni.
Ito ba?
Wait lang, pre. Videoan kita. Wait lang. Ang guluhan ko lang.
Page ko sa mga ganyan
Sige,
sila.
sige, pre.
Bakit siya lang masigaw?
Yan guys. Dun sa mga gusto magpakain ng ostrich, punta kayo dito. Magpa-assist lang kayo kasi kailangan malapitan kasi. So mag-aabot kayo sa kanya ng dahon tapos yun na yun. Meron ka pa? Yan. Try natin ulit ng malapitan. Okay. So yan. Ito siya. Let's see.
Natatakot ka naman.
Okay, sinama yung daliri ko.
Oo, ako din eh.
Pero hindi naman masakit. Okay naman siya.
Uy! Kasama nga yung ano.
Ayan pre. Panoorin nyo si FBR. Siya naman yung magpapatuka.
Ayan.
Yun oh.
Magaling ka.
Ah,
Yun. Pre, kamusta?
masakit!
Guys, look at the pool. Wow.
Opens wide like
Ganda. Sobra.
mountains rise up. shadows stretches out. Eyes chasing the wind, the horizon bends. Fly higher, higher through the sky. No chains, no walls, just wings to.
Guys, may pa-crispy patam. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And may barbecue tayo dito. Okay. Wow. Plus the Coca-Cola. And yung Budol Fight natin. So yan, may mangga tayo. Orange. Saging. Ensaladang talong. Itlog na maalat. I think this is pork adobo. And bangus. Sa kanila yan. Okay. Etong isa, hindi ko alam kung ano to. Baka... ito chicken adobo guys. This is pork adobo. Tapos sitaw. Tapos meron siya ditong seafoods. Ayan. Pero yung the best talaga. Hindi yan. Eto. Yan ang pinaka the best. Wow. So, wala mo na tayong fasting. Okay. Guys, tapos na kaming kumain ng dinner. So, kaya papunta na kami doon sa bonfire. Pa-bonfire sila dito. Grabe, ang ganda dito kahit sa gabi. Panalo. Ito naman ako. Wow.
Wings of the world, they'll never die. Rivers snake, silver threads below. Clouds drift heavy, but they still glow. Dreams carried far where no maps go. Fly higher, higher through the sky. No chains, no walls, just wings to try. Wings of the world, they'll never die. Fly higher, higher through the sky. No chains, no walls, just wings to try. Wings of the world, they'll never die. Drums of the earth, thunder deep inside.
Yan, hi guys. So, good evening. So, tapos na tayo mag-ikot, tapos na tayo mag-drone shot, tapos na tayo mag-bonfire at kumain. Next natin activity is swimming pool. At dahil malamig dito, syempre, ang kailangan natin is pampainit. Tama ba? So, dahil wala kaming dalang alak, good thing, meron silang ganito. Yan. Okay? So, pwede kayong bumili dito. Actually, mura lang siya. Hindi siya katulad sa iba na na pricey. So, para ka lang bumili sa 7-Eleven. So, yun yung mga price nila. Post nyo na lang para dun sa mga gustong pumunta dito. Hindi ko alam kung may corkage kapag may dala kayong alak. Pero tatanong natin, update namin kayo tomorrow. So, may mga ganda rin sila. So, ito yung prices, guys. Yan. So, yan. Okay. Tapos yan, meron silang malamig na beer. Dun sa mga hindi maliligo sa pool, yan, mag-beer na lang kayo.